Hey guys, welcome to Spain. I just got into Malaga last night and then today we're gonna go on a free walking tour for Malaga. Not sure what we're gonna do in the afternoon, but that's the idea for today.
We found some valuable minerals as silver and salts, and this is why we say the city and they call it Malaga. Okay, Malaga means city of salt. As you can see, I'm pretty sure that you passed by here before. Yes? Okay. By the way, this is the fourth most expensive in all of Spain. During the Baroque time, Baroque period. Have some of you been in Rome? Yes. Italy? Laura? I hope so. So, do you remember Fontana di Trevi? Yeah. You round the corner and you find like a small square and the fontana in there by surprise. Here happens the same, okay? So you round the corner and you will find the cathedral by surprise.
We just finished with the walking tour of Malaga. It was really interesting. Like, I feel like I learned so much about the city. Like, did you know that like Pablo Picasso was born here? Like, I had no idea. And like the Arabs were here for like 800 years. So it's a really amazing history. And I'm so glad I did this walking tour. It's really great. We're now visiting the Cathedral of Malaga and it's really interesting. It's actually nicknamed the One-Armed Lady because one of the towers wasn't finished because they kind of ran out of money. so it's the next day. We're just going up to the fortress in Malaga. I think it's called the Alcazaba, I forgot. Anyway, like it's really pretty. It's a really pretty morning. So we're gonna go up there, and then later this afternoon we're catching the bus to Granada. Upper part of the fortress, and it's really nice. Like there's such a beautiful view from here, and it's really funny because like they're technically connected, but you can't go from one part to the other directly. You need to go all around town to get there, but that's alright. It's really nice up here. If you guys really enjoyed my Malaga vlog, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and then I'll see you in Granada.